In PCensus, overlap profiles will tell you all about the people who live in a zone shared by two intersecting study areas. This is a useful method for evaluating the effect of two stores on each other. All three versions of PCensus can recreate the following examples. In the first example, we will use PCensus for map point to mix two different shapes. To start, we will click on the circle icon at the top of the screen and point at the map. A circle with a 1 mile radius is defined and named. Clicking Next allows us to add another shape. For our purpose, a polygon trade area, which we will trace on a map. Single-clicking will add corners to the shape, but double-clicking will close our shape. Now that the two shapes are defined, we'll need to go to the Advanced button on the lower right. The Shapes Columns window allows us to check or uncheck the Area Union option, but importantly, the Intersection column box must be checked, which will set a column for our overlap study. Click Finish and search now. The result is a column called Area Intersection, where the circle site overlaps with the polygon shape, as well as the full profile columns for both shapes. In this second example, we will use PCensus for map info to study two individual drive time areas. If you subscribe to the site-wise drive time option, you can click on the automobile icon at the top of the screen, and here we will point at the map for our first site. You can name the site, click Finish, and then search now to obtain our first column. Now we will click on the drive time icon for a second time. PCensus will ask you if you want to add a new column for your study area, but we will choose Current Study Area to add the second site to the first column. Here we will change the color style of the second drive time shape to make it stand out better. Click Next. Again, we will click on the Advanced button and check the box for Intersection column. Click Close, Finish, and search now. The result is an area intersection column, as well as a profile column for each drive time area. In this third and last example, we will use an existing map of store points in PCensus for ArcView. On this map, we already opened a layer map of existing store points, marked by these red squares, and we will select two of them, which will be tagged with blue dots. Click on the icon with the white arrow and green box. This will launch the Batch Sites window. Select the field from the map file that will assign unique names to the points, such as an address field, and click Next. For this example, we will use the Circles option and click Next, leaving it on the Manual Value option and click Next again. Since we do not need a target list, we will uncheck that box but leave the other two boxes checked. In this case, the two circles with the 3 mile radii will display in the background, and again we will click on the Advanced button. Check the box for the Union and Intersection columns. Intersection will generate the overlap request for our circles. Now we can click Close, Finish, possibly give a title for the sites, and search now. The result is a combined profile called Area Union, our overlap profile called Area Intersection, and two full profile columns for each circle. For more information about PCensus and our other solutions, please contact Tetrad.